Leaking washer coming out of the drawer. Look at all this big blob of water. Wait a minute. Oh, it's all coming out. Oh, we're going to need your help again, guys. We've tried what you said, but it's still leaking. It's going right across the floor. Big blobs of it. It's filling up and it's leaking. Yeah, get him out again. We've done everything they've said, so get him out. Look at all that water.
So it's not as much as half time, but he's still there.
This really big sudsy washer here that's just been leaking all over the place, and it's full of suds. Splashing all over the door. Splash, splash. We put a bit too much powder in this washer. It's full of suds. A leaking washer here, guys. You see it coming out through the drawer just then for a second, and now it's gushing on the floor. Any ideas what this could be? Can't work it out. We had a big blob of soap coming out of it before.